Tricia Morgan in the Republican primary on September 10th. The winner of that race will then face U.S. Senator Sheldon Whitehouse.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
We continue with stormy weather. These are pictures from Wareham. This was earlier. Some downpours and some hail. We've had numerous reports of some hail across the area, even though every community not seeing scenes like this. Some spots are just kind of generic showers. Others have severe thunderstorms. And looking at that risk to continue at least for a couple of more hours. I think by the time we get towards around 7 o'clock this evening, things will be winding down. So for instance, fairly quiet in Newport, though you do have some showers and some rumbles of thunder right now. The visibility has improved a bit, but out towards Washington County and Charlestown, some very heavy downpours, and you can see that on the Doppler radar. And we know this by now, that these colors of red and yellow and purple indicating where some of the stronger storms are located. We had a severe thunderstorm warning with this a short time ago. It has been dropped. So while technically it has gone below severe criteria, it is still a very high impact storm here. You've got downpours, poor visibility, lightning, and even the potential for some, at least small hail. You got another cluster of downpours and storms from Warwick to East Greenwich, and getting real close here. We'll first zoom in on West Warwick and out towards East Greenwich and Warwick, getting some downpours and some thunderstorms and some flash flooding. Notice in the northern part of the state, you do have a little bit of a downpour in between Woonsocket and North Smithfield. The activity not as widespread as what's going on in the southern half of the state right now, but this area in green is a flash flood warning until 6:45. These storms have been kind of moving over the same area, dumping a lot of rain, and this area of green includes Providence, Metro, Warwick, Fall River, Newport County, and most of Washington County. A lot of lightning with this system as well. You can see on our lightning tracker numerous lightning activity being detected in the southern half of the state. From Providence looking south, you can see some of the darker skies and the storms that are ongoing right now in Warwick and East Greenwich with some poor visibility and some thunder and lightning. So our threat tracker remains elevated through, I would say, about 7 o'clock this evening. Once you get towards 8, 9 o'clock, things are on the improve. A much better day tomorrow. We'll bring back the risk of some scattered showers and thunder again on Wednesday. But dry skies for your Tuesday, and then we'll watch that next system coming up on Wednesday. We have a weather disturbance. It's actually the upper part of the atmosphere that's swinging through right now. It will move offshore and things will be on the improve, but on a scale from 1 to 5 as far as the severe thunderstorm risk, we're at a level 2 here in southern New England. And usually when we get into this level 2 category, it's somewhat significant. It's usually likely that severe storms will develop. But things are winding down. It doesn't shut off completely at 7 o'clock, but storms will be weakening. The coverage will decrease as well. As we get towards 8, 9 o'clock in the evening, things are clearing out, and the rest of the night will be on the quiet side. Tomorrow morning, we're waking up to sunshine, maybe a touch of patchy fog early, but developing sunshine should turn into a pretty nice day. Seasonably warm and dry with temperatures that'll be in the lower 80s. Beaches are pretty good. I think any early morning fog, and won't be much, otherwise sunshine at the beach, air temperature in the 70s, as well as the water temp, and maybe again that touch of fog early in the morning. Otherwise, you got some pretty decent visibility with some sunshine out on Narragansett Bay. All right, 7-day forecast. We remain stormy for a few more hours, drying out later on this evening. Looking good for your Tuesday. We'll watch for scattered showers and thunder to return on Wednesday. Dry, cooler weather for Thursday and on into Friday. As we get into the weekend, the chance of a late day shower on Saturday. Sunday day right now looking okay. Maybe some showers on Sunday night.